guys, there has just been a bird in the house that Lulu has brought in. So I've just been hiding mine with Jimmy. But it's locked up in the bathroom. But it's not like a normal bird. It's one that attacks people. So I'm probably just gonna be staying in here for a while. But when it does go out, then I'll just be dancing with Jimmy the penguin. But I'm serious, guys. I'm actually serious. It is not nice. So if anyone ends up having birds in their house, then just lock it up in the room. Like, I had a bunny in the house a few days ago. So I'd recommend do not get a cat like this. Bye. Peace.